Out on site today fitting some security enhancements to yet another full transit custom. Very popular vehicle for security upgrades with Autosparx, this one. We previously put a high-key wrap block on the vulnerable driver's door barrel. Deadlocks on the side loader, so, crew cab on this one. And we put a deadlock on the rear there as well, and on the other side. Clifford security system with the Clifford signature blue LED down there by the ignition barrel, so it's nice and visible. We've also added a couple of additional blue twinkly LEDs up on the A-posts, one either side for maximum visual deterrent. It's also got a built-in dual stage shock sensor, so we give the van a bit of a tap. You get an all-the-way beep from the alarm to tell you it's got some security on it. We've also linked it to the horn, so it's got a multi-tone Clifford siren and the horn on the vehicle. So if we trigger it by a bit more of an impact, that's a light impact, here's a heavy impact. This I'm using the full key. There you go, another transit secured. When we get in the vehicle now, you'll see that our blue LED has given us a status readout. So 2 flashes and a pause means the alarm was triggered via the onboard shock sensing. As soon as we turn the ignition on, that will cancel that out. There we go. Ready to be armed again and protect the vehicle.